Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 7, subject chemistry, chapter 4. Students, I hope all of you are fine and preparing for the test which is going to be held on this Monday. Students, today we will discuss two topics, ions and radicals. First of all, let us see where we have reached the key concepts. First, atoms and molecules we have discussed. Second topic, what happens when two atoms combine, we have completed. And atomicity and valency we have discussed in the previous video. We will complete today ions and radicals. Today we will discuss ions, this key concept, and radicals. First of all, ions. What are ions, students? An ion is a charged particle. What is an ion? An ion is a charged particle that carries a positive or a negative charge. For example, Na plus, sodium ion. An ion of sodium carries a positive charge. So it is written like Na plus. Chloride ion. Ion of chlorine carries a negative charge. So it will be written like first the symbol Cl, and since it carries a negative charge, it will be minus. Students, ions are of two types, cations and anions. Let us see what are they. Cations. A positively charged ion. What is a cation? A positively charged ion. For example, Na plus, sodium ion is a cation because it carries a positive charge. Similarly, K plus, Ca2 plus, etc. So, the ion which carries a positive charge is called a cation. Now, what is an anion? A negatively charged ion. A negatively charged ion is called an anion. Example, Cl minus, O2 minus, Br minus. So, the ion which carries a negative charge are called anions. Now, how are they written? Cations. First, write the symbol of the element like sodium. Sodium, the symbol of sodium is Na, and since it carries a positive charge, so it will be written plus here as a superscript because at the upper side of the symbol. Similarly, calcium. Ion of calcium, first symbol will be written Ca, and since it carries two positive ions, so it will be two positive charges, so it will be 2 plus. Then anions. Cl. Cl is the symbol of chlorine, and since it carries a minus negative charge, so minus will be written there at the upper side. And oxygen. Oxygen, first of all, symbol will be written, and then since it carries two negative charges, so it will be 2 minus as a superscript written here. Now let us go to the second topic, that is radicals. Let us see what are radicals. A group of atoms or of different elements. A group of atoms of different elements functioning together as a single unit and carrying a charge. They are called radicals. So this is the definition. A group of atoms of different elements functioning together as a single unit and carrying a charge. They are called radicals. For example, NO3 minus, OH minus, NH4 plus, etc. So these units, they are together but they carry a charge and they function as a single unit. For example, NO3 minus, you see how it is represented, N, the atom N here, and it carries 3 oxygen atom. So 3 oxygen atoms are there. So NO3 and the charge is minus, so it will be written here. This is the diagrammatic representation, but you need not learn this now. In the next class you will learn this in the higher classes, but for an idea, so that you can get an idea, I have written here I have shown here diagrammatic representation. It is written like this: N, then O, and 3. Since it is carrying 3 atoms, so O3, and it is carrying a negative charge, so negative sign will be as a superscript, and it carries 3 oxygen atoms, so 3 as a subscript. Similarly, NH4 plus, nitrogen atom in between at the center, then it is carrying how many hydrogen atoms? 1 2 3 4. So it will be arranged like this, and this all these atoms, they are acting as a single unit, so the charge will be written here. After keeping this in bracket, the charge will be written here. Since it carries a positive charge, so it will be plus. Now how it is written? Formula: NH4, 4 should be written as a subscript and plus will be written as a superscript. Now come to the assignments. Explain the difference between an ion and a radical with the help of an example. Thank you.